So I'm starting in the crown and just prepping the hair with some teasing. That way I'm setting my style up for success here. Then I'm just going to brush the tease out slightly just to make sure everything is smooth on the top of the hair. When I switch to the side, I'm going to section out 2 sections. This is where I'm going to use my mini packs of clip-in extensions. I have the 2 shorter pieces that I'm going to attach on both sides of the front of the hair. Just a little tease to make sure that it doesn't move. I like to set myself up with all the extensions in before I actually start my style. So I'm choosing to start in the front of the hairline. I use the little mini clips. You can do it differently. I just prep my client's hair with the extensions before I start. So for this style, I'm choosing to use a little lighter tone than Rachel's actual hair. I'm choosing that because I want to have the dimension in the hair. I want to add the highlights. So for your style, you can choose to use darker or lighter. They're so versatile, and this is great too because if somebody's one-dimensional, it's not as appealing when you're doing an updo. So this gives you a little edge. Prepping with some spray and a little teasing just to ensure that it's going to stay in the hair. Make sure you're brushing everything out as you go, setting yourself up for success. So now I'm going to go in with the bigger pieces here. I'm choosing to put them on the sides because I still want more density in the sides of the hair. I like to put it in at an angle here, that way everything flows back off the face. What I love about these clips is that they have a silicone band on them, so when you clip them in place, they do not move. This is great for brides because when they're moving around and they're dancing and having fun, they don't have to worry about their extensions moving at all. They're just going to stay right in place. So now that I have the extensions in, I'm going to start my updo. Again, I'm going to brush everything back and kind of get myself set up. So I'm such a believer in this product that I'm actually wearing my extensions in this video. You can see that you can't tell where my extensions are at all. They look so natural. I'm wearing the 20-inch longboat key color here. What I love about these extensions is that they're all real hair, so if you need to custom color anything, you're perfectly capable of doing that. Damn, my hair looks good. So here I'm starting the crown. I'm just gonna put a couple of bobby pins in place here to start the style off. Then I'm gonna take 2 pieces on both sides. First, I'm going to start with the one side, twist it up, and just pin it out of my reach. Then I'm going to go to the other side, and I'm just going to kind of zigzag on the hairline. That makes it so it looks natural when everything is kind of pulled off the face. You want it to be super organic. You don't want it to be just pulled straight back. So this ensures that that will happen. You can see that those 2 pieces are making this little baby piece that I grabbed super, super thick and full. Now I'm gonna take my elastic and I'm gonna secure the elastic right where you put the bobby pins. Once that's secured, I'm gonna kind of pull up. Then you're just gonna pull out some pieces to make it look super soft and natural. So as you can see, I'm still leaving a lot on the hairline to work with. And I'm gonna repeat what I just did with the first piece on both sides. I'm gonna secure with the elastic again. And this is where the pull through braid starts. So now I'm gonna flip it under and pull up again. And then you're gonna pull the pieces out to make it look nice and soft. I also like to go back in the crown and just kind of pull some pieces out as you're going to make sure that you're not getting done and you don't have the volume that you need in the top of the crown. I'm gonna go back in on the sides and grab another piece. This is all about consistency as well, so you wanna make sure that you're pulling the same amount in each section as you did the prior. As you can see, you don't see the extensions at all. Everything is blending super well. So you're just gonna do the same as the prior. You're gonna pull through and then pull up on the braid. So here you can see I'm kind of rotating sides. This helps the braid look a little bit more natural. So you're gonna flip-flop each one that you do. This one is on the left side, so you're gonna flip through the braid and then you're gonna pull it out again. And then you're gonna repeat. So this is where you're gonna continue with the braid till you get about 2 to 3 inches from the bottom. You'll bricklay it all the way down. So here you can see I'm adding just a couple pins. This is just going to mesh the hair with the elastics and make sure everything stays in place. You do want to add a couple of these. I don't like to overdo it, but it just helps everything stay in place a little bit better, especially when they're dancing later on in the evening. When you get to the hairline, what you're going to do is you're going to curl everything off of the face. And what I like to do is spray it with a little bit of hairspray or texture spray, and then you're going to brush it out to get it a nice lived-in look. So when you get to the bottom, I like to touch it with the curling iron, and then you can just brush it out. This style was done in under 15 minutes with the Siesta Key mini hair extensions.